What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Luke here, aka Quicksilver, and I just want to do something a little bit different with you guys today. I will be unboxing all of the Mopar swag that I am going to be giving away on my channel, so I figured it'd be kind of fun to do an unboxing and see everything that I'm going to be giving away. So again, make sure you leave a like, and to be entered into all these contests, all you have to do is just comment on my video, and then I will be announcing the winners on my live stream, which is usually in the middle of the week. So subscribe, turn on the little bell, that way you get the notifications when the live stream comes on to see if you're a winner. Alright, let's get started, guys. I got my trusty Wells knife here that I got one Christmas. Alright, you see that? Let's see what we got first. All right, you gotta get the hats going on, right? So you might have seen this on my video at some point. Nice Super Bee hat. It's got a pretty firm bill, and the front logo is stiff. I like these hats with the mesh back. Really clean looking hat, so I got a couple of those. Put those over there. All right, got another hat here. The aged or worn demon hat. Velcro back. Pretty cool hat right there. Still got the tags on. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, check that out. So this is like a cooler bag with the Hellcat and the Demon logo on it. So you can put your drinks in there. It's got a nice zipper, some nylon strap on the top. And just throw a couple drinks in if you want to go to the track or wherever you're going. And I thought that was kind of cool. Alright, what else have we got in here? Oh yeah, cool. Gotta have keychains, right? I mean, keychains are just cool little trinkets to give away. So here we got a Hellcat keychain. You guys see that? It's got SRT on the back. It's kind of cool little texture design. Nice sturdy key ring there. And I got a couple of those. Oh yeah. This is just a magnet mount for your car, for your phone. Guess this will go on like the like a air vent, I guess, in the car. And then it's just got the Hellcat logo on it. It's magnetic. Oh wait, so I guess you stick that to your phone. Okay, that's how that works. I was wondering how that worked. So this little piece, if you want, it goes on the back of your case, and then that's what sits in the car. And then when this is on the back of your phone, you see that on the back of your phone, right? And then it just sticks to that. So that's cool, little phone mount. I got another back here. Oh, cool. All right, these are sweet. Gotta have the shot glasses, right? See, I didn't even know half this stuff existed, and then I went on the website and I started looking around, and I was like, I gotta get me some of this stuff. So you got the Demon on one side, the Hellcat logo on the other, and then the Dodge stripes in between. So I got a couple of those for you guys. Shot glasses. Maybe what we can do is whoever gets one of these things, get on the live stream and we can take some shots together. Alright. Ooh. I thought these would be kind of neat too. So this looks like a solo cup, which basically it is, except it's like a really sturdy one. So it's a reusable solo cup, and of course it's got the Demon logo, the Dodge stripes, and the Hellcat logo on it. And it is very sturdy feeling. It looks like a solo cup, but you know, it's pretty stiff. And I've got a bunch of those. I think I got about a half dozen of those. So I'll be giving a few of those out. All right, guys, ready for this one? It's a ball with Dodge written on it. Get it? I thought that was funny. I need to get out the trusty knife again for this one. This one's in there good. Alright, so this is going to be the drinking glass of choice here. Got me a nice little pint glass with the good old Demon and Hellcat logos on them. See that? Nice little glass. I think I'll be pouring my beers on the live stream in this one for you guys, and then there'll be another person that'll win it. And you know, this is just kind of a, you know, see how this goes and see if you guys like the little giveaways that I do, and you know, there might be some more out there for you guys. So I got two of those. One's going to be for me, and then one's going to be for you guys. And then we're going to drink together. All right, so that wasn't in this box. There's a few more things here. You see me wear these hats on the show. One of my favorite ones, the Hellcat hats. Nice mesh, very comfortable, good looking hat. I got a couple of those to give away. And then this is a new hat that just came out for the 1320. So it's got the 1320B on it. That's a pretty cool hat, mesh. I didn't get any of the ones with the flimsy head on them. I don't like those, so I got a couple of those as well. And for those of you who keep up with the community tab, you might have seen this. I'm not giving it away. Maybe on a little bit larger giveaway or something like that if you guys can help me get to 5K. Boom. Had to get the Lego set. How about this? I'll do this right now. If you guys can help me get to 5K subscribers, I'll do one of these giveaways for you. So anyway, this is kind of a neat little set. Maybe my daughter and I can put it together, or my son, either way. And I just thought it was neat. I haven't had Legos since I was a kid, and so I thought either way, why not? I'll keep it in a box for a while, and again, maybe for a 5K giveaway or something like that, I'll go ahead and do one of these for you guys. Just thought that was neat. All right, well, I think that's it for the box for right now, for what I got for you guys. Anyway, if you liked the video, leave a like. Be sure to subscribe. Again, turn on the notifications. Check out my videos coming up soon and my other previous videos. I do them on my 2018 Charger Hellcat and car buying advice, and of course my live streams every week that I answer any questions about the car business, because I am a Chrysler Dodge Jeep manager. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.